Hello there, it's tomorrow. Well, the day after yesterday, which was the day of the emergency, so it would have been tomorrow yesterday, but today it's today. Anyway, we're here with Bernard and Jared, and we're changing out the panel, so let's run inside.
Let's take a look at what we see here. Bus bar. Bus bar from Melted too.
Right here, we're just shutting everything down so we can get going on replacement. I didn't think it or anything, did I? I wanted to see what these mollies went to. Okay, that's funny. I mean, that's probably pretty sturdy. That's funny. What's that?
You can stand up on that.
Yeah. You could mount a motor block on that.
For real. The support that they stuff.
We were joking about how that shelf is screwed through the panel. Inches away from the bus bar too, by the way. They would have got a nasty surprise if they would have hit the bus bar. I've seen that happen too. What happened to the guts? They're gone.
Yep, let's take them out.
Uh-oh. You ain't playing. The kid ain't playing.
This part is a tricky part. Yeah.
You won't be able, do you mean the conduit?
Mm-hmm.
No, you ain't gonna be able to move the conduit. That's because it's a rigid, right? It's gonna have a lock washer between both, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, you're right, on both sides.
So what I would do is probably try and put something right there.
Oh, okay. And pry it up.
Yeah, yeah.
Gotcha.
You got a
Yeah, you got a pry bar.
Yeah.
A big orange one. Yeah.
You gotta remind me, bro. I keep telling you to remind me.
Saying it.
I keep forgetting. You gotta remind me, bro.
So, yeah. When I go home, that's the last
So
thing I'm
home,
thinking
you can take
about.
those. Let me see real quick. This big old beef eater breaker bar will make short work out of this panel. I'm just trying to fold the corner slightly so we can get the conduit coming in the bottom left corner out of the way so that the panel will just slide right out. Even though this doesn't work perfectly as planned, it does help in our process. Whenever you got conduits coming in more than one side of the box like this, it makes it a little more tricky. In this case, it's a couple half inches coming in the top and 1.25 inches coming in the side with the main feeders. And I'm just walking it out step by step. I mean, I can rip this panel apart, but getting the new one in.
That's what I'm thinking too.
Oh yeah, look here. Do we have this charger?
If you look right here, look at how we can slide that male adapter back. No, like, see that?
Yeah.
Here, finish video. You all right?
Look, if you look.
Look right here. See back in here, Bernard?
Mm-hmm.
That male adapter.
Oh, we can slide it.
We can slide it back if we could loosen it, and then that'll give us enough to get it back, and then again the same thing when we get the new panel. Let's do that. So I need to loosen those guys right there. There's probably two of them. Yeah, there is. You got your buzz saw?
Yeah, I got that.
All right, so I'll buzz saw that right there, so I can access those two. At this point, it's kind of like we're doing surgery to get the job done. Hang on, go over here. So now that I cut right there, I can get out 2 set of screws on the male adapter. Or an EMT connector, really. Alright, I need a flathead. Oh, that one was loose. That one was loose too. Keep going. So now that I have the male adapter loose and freed up, I can push it back into the wall to get it out of the way of the edge of the panel so we can pop it out. Eureka. I love it when a plan comes together. And now it's just a matter of coaxing this joker out of the wall so we can get the new one in. A little bit of drywall repair. They glued it in the back. You see all that? They had like glue back there. Funny, right? Oh wait, no. No, 3/4. That side of the panel? Is it worn today or is it just me? Yeah, well, I'll teach you. Oh. A little weird.
It's a touch.
Yeah, no diddy, that's right. Yeah. That's, dude, what an edit. Now
I know, right?
that's the biggest thing. Dude, that's the worst that could ever happen to you.
I know.
To be
You were just saying that, bro. Me and Caesar was just talking about that. Like,
Really?
bro, yeah.
That's bad, yeah.
He's not just saying. No,
He-
we're not. That's it.
No, really.
Wild. How could you possibly come back from something like that?
No, it ain't coming back from that.
The whole world saying that.
Yeah. But hey, man, it seems like he probably deserves it. So. That's
That's what I'm telling you.
I would love to see Caesar talk about that. It would be probably real funny. Was he dying?
Yeah, he was laughing. You know, Caesar, he like to laugh. and
Oh
stuff,
yeah,
so I was
man.
joking.
That's good. I was even thinking about doing like a cut-in box over the panel for this one, because this one right here is this one actually makes it difficult. You know what I'm saying? But I got it. Yeah. Is it a lock?
Yep.
One of the dumb ones.
Majority of them, though.
Yeah, I know. Because that's so often. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. But now we got to get this part in it. This is good right here. Yeah.
Right here, it's the mask.
Let me get this on. Let's see. Hope I didn't score that up too much. I think I did. Put the file. Yeah. You got a file?
Let me touch it. I might actually have that.
That might do it. Is there any other nicks in this thing? Oh yeah, down there. Dang it.
What size did you say you needed?
3/4 the inch and 1/4.
Yeah, right there. I think that's it right there. Is that it?
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's good. That's why.
Yeah, that was just the other nick that I had to file out.
Yeah.
So.
You didn't do that though. That's what's ever though. You see that?
Yeah. Well, some of them happened when I was pushing it back though, too. But it'll work.
I'm gonna feed it 30, B, all right? Feed it 30, IB.
All right, Egg.
Hey Bernard, you want a Gatorade?
Yeah, Gatorade will be good, sir. Thank you. Good pick, Ralph.
What's that?
Good pick. That's the
blue
favorite
one?
Yeah, I like.
You gotta have the blue one, bro.
Yeah, I like
The
that.
light blue.
Yep. Not just the dark. The
Yeah,
light.
yeah. You can't. That new upstart blue. That ain't gonna work.
Oh, like those new fierce ones.
Yeah.
It's like a blue.
I'm not
color.
that fierce. You know what I'm saying?
I like to stick to the OGs.
Yeah. This has been around. The Frost.
Yep.
That's a good name. Frost.
That's the OG.
You gotta stay frosty. You know.
Yes, sir.
Although there is that one like light green one.
That's a banger. I ain't gonna
It's
lie.
like water or like melon or something like that.
Melon, I think
Oh,
it's
the
called.
cucumber melon one.
Yeah, that's not bad.
That's a banger.
That one's good
It's
when
like
it's cold. Once it gets like a little warm, like room temp, I don't really
yeah,
like
it's
it.
kind of like a moped, you know, fun to ride. You don't want your friends seeing you do it.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? But
For real. That's crazy. They tease y'all too over here with mopeds.
what's that?
Like people they'll make fun of you if you ride a moped over here too.
Yeah.
In the islands they will too.
Yeah,
You gotta have a dirt bike.
Yeah, dirt bike.
Yep.
You just have some arguing with somebody?
Are you?
Oh,
Is that a thing?
maybe.
Yeah.
Oh, I do have it downloaded. I'm stupid.
Oh.
Told you.
Oh yeah, I just never like set it up.
That's actually how it was.
Yeah.
It wasn't. I didn't do that in the emergency.
No?
No. Yeah, that's how it was. But you can do that, but you need to have a retaining bushing. And GE has to be on the end. Only on the end they have that.
Are you talking about the that 125 that was in there?
Yeah. You can't just come wherever you want with it. It's got to be on the end with the little metal, that little yellowish metal clip.
Yes, sir. She did say she got a handy. Did the work.
Awfully handy.
Be surprised.
Awfully handy. Alright. Up and running. I just spotted 2 perfectly ripe mangoes in this mango tree. Tree here in a minute.
Yes, sir. Yeah, that smells good. That's sweet.
Mm-hmm.
What'd you think? Yeah.
Want to try it?
Yeah.
Pretty good.
No, it's sweet. You got a little piece more of that. Oh, man.
It's almost not good though. You know what I'm talking about?
Want to try?
I had a little more, and the second bite was way better than the first. All right. Bernard and Jared are just cleaning up. I'm gonna get out of here. I gotta go look at another job real quick. But that's all for you guys for today. Thanks for stopping by. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one.